Welcome guys. We all know that Excel performs calculation in a worksheet. But do you know that it is also possible to perform calculations across multiple worksheets? And yeah, this is called three-dimensional functions, or in a short 3D functions. Let's show you how it will help you. And yeah, don't forget to watch the complete video for the bonus trick. You can download this worksheet from the description as well. So let's start. Say you have data that contains worksheets per month. It contains salesman and product details, and you want to create a worksheet that will summarize all these months in a worksheet. We can call it as a summary worksheet. In such cases, how you will add all these worksheets? So one option is to do it like this. Press is equal to, go to January, press plus and go to February, and so on. You can select all the worksheets. So you can see that how your final formula will look like. So the formula here is correct, but it's really boring and time consuming to have to select each worksheet one by one. Imagine you have more than 50 worksheets like product, salesman, states, or anything. Also, it will not be easy to find out errors in such formulas. So let's see how we can get the same result with 3D formula. The prerequisite for this formula is that every worksheet you want to add should have same format. Any change in the format will lead to wrong results. So in these worksheets you can see that my every format, my all the formats across all the worksheets are same. Before we start further, don't forget to subscribe our channel. It will be great support to us. Thank you guys. So let's start. So how to start with 3D function. So press is equal to, type sum. Now go to January worksheet. Select the cell B3 you want in the result, or you want the sum. Now press shift and go to the December worksheet. You can see that my all the worksheets are now selected. Okay, so I have selected B3, and then I have pressed shift and I have pressed December. So after this, nothing to do, just press enter. The formula will be like something like this: January to December. The semicolon here means that you have selected all the sheets in your workbook between January to December. Okay, so when you press enter, it will show you the result. Now if you want to go across all the tables, you can do like this. So you can do this, so your formula will be applied. It's easy to build and easy to read as well. It is worth to know that not all the functions will accept 3D formula. You can check which formulas or which functions will accept 3D. So we have given the list in the description. So now we'll check what points to take care while applying 3D formulas. If you add any worksheet between January to December, the result will be added here. It will be summarized over here. So let me show you how, if I add, I'll copy this worksheet. The engine sale is 1,05,000. You can see right now my engine sale is 6,75,000. Okay, so now I will copy this worksheet and paste it again. So now I have two different worksheets. My engine sale should increase by 1,05,000. You can see it over here. It was earlier 6,75,000 and now it has increased to 7,80,000. What if I delete one worksheet? If I delete one worksheet, then it will change the result as well. So now you can see it is again back to 6,75,000. But here you need to remember that this is your start point and this is your end point. You can add any worksheets between this, or you can delete any worksheet between this. It will not affect your result, so it will be updated automatically. What if I move my November month? You can see my November is between January to December, but while rearranging my worksheets I have wrongly or mistakenly moved my worksheet from here to December. First of all, let's check that this November contains engine sale 2,05,000. It is added over here. So if I move these worksheets after December, so my data will change. because what Excel thinks or what 3D formula thinks that it has to add from January to December. January to December, you can see it over here. But the November is not between these worksheets, so it will not add it here. So while using 3D formula, you need to take care. Now comes the bonus tip. Before starting to enter any 3D formula, add two blank worksheets. So I am adding two blank worksheets over here. One is, I can say, data start. Okay. Now I am entering one more worksheet, and that is in the end. So I'll add data end. So I'll move this worksheet to the end. So here is the my start point and here is my end point. So now I'll reapply my 3D formula. So what I'll do now, I'll again press is equal to, I'll press sum. Now instead of adding from January to December, I will add from data start to data end. I wanted data start, I wanted B3, so I'll select from here, press shift and select up to data and press enter. So you can see my results are same because I haven't entered any data in the worksheets. Data start and data end are blank worksheets. So what happens if I change any change or rearrange anything over here? My data will not change because my this is my end point and this is my start point. So whatever happens, you can rearrange your worksheets anywhere. If I move this September after November, or if I move this May worksheet after September, so it will not affect my data because my start point and end points are this, that is blank, and Excel will take care that any data in between this will be shown as result in this. So that was the video, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button and comment your response. So thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.